Hello and welcome to our presentation about the substitution of EKC 265. Can I please have your attention also in the back? Next slide, please. Our agenda is what is EKC 265, the use cases for it, requirements for the substitutes, possible substitutes that we found, and our sources. What is EKC 265? It is frequently used as a solvent in the semiconductor industry, produced by DuPont. It is used to remove polymer residues and against wafer and for wafer decontamination. It's also, unfortunately, a CMR substance. That means it's carcinogenic, mutagenic, and toxic to reproduction. There are also environmental and safety concerns, so there's a need for sustainable substitutes. What is EKC made of? It's made of 2,2-amino-atoxy-ethanol, hydroxylaminin, this is the group, if anybody knows it by chance, pyrocatechol, and water, H2O. The use cases for it. It is used for via cleaning, so as a post-etch residue remover, for plasma etching or after plasma etching to remove polymer residues, for metal etching also as a post-etch residue remover, and for back-end-of-line cleaning. Which are the requirements for the substitutes that we wanted to search? There was a need of a low hazard classification. It must be suitable for semiconductor applications. No etching of the layers to be cleaned because we want them to be there. A follow-up cleaning with DI water and EPA needs to be possible, and also some other chemical points, flash point over 110, boiling point over 100, and freezing point under 0 degree. So the first one we found that was very good was a through silicon via cleaner. It is used as a post-Bosch deep reactive ion etching process. It simultaneously strips the resist and fluoropolymer residues in one step. That's the good thing about it. It is non-toxic, non-flammable, and it is free of CMR chemicals. It is compatible with most of the layers that the EKC 265 is also used for. The second one that we found is the Techniclean CA25. It is a post-etch residue remover, and the flame point is over 120, the boiling point is 100 degree, and it is also CMR-free, compatible with many elements, and also compatible with stainless steel and polymers. It has a global warming potential than EKC 265, which is also a good thing. Here you can see the usage of it. There were other possible substitutes that we found, but there were some disadvantages that we found for each of them, so that's why we didn't have so much, we won't highlight them as much as the others that we highlighted. It's the Dynastripe DL9150. There is a flash point of 90 degrees Celsius, so that's the bad thing about it. The Technistrip NF52, it contains TMAH, so it's toxic and hazardous. AZ910, there might be an extended rinse needed. The Integris ST250, it unfortunately does not cover all critical layers. And there was the UV ozone cleaning as something very different. It is CMR-free except for the ozone, and it is compatible for many materials, but there might be a longer processing time using it. So this is it. These are our sources, and thank you for your attention.